All right, thank you, Mark. Tonight in Medical Rounds, promising and potentially groundbreaking advances in cancer research take another giant step forward at the Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute. As part of the Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute's pioneering membership in the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Alliance, a new dedicated clinical trials unit has officially opened at the Institute. And joining us live from the grand opening event happening right now at Hartford Hospital is Dr. Peter Yu, Physician-in-Chief at the Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute. Good evening, Dr. Yu. So nice to have you with us tonight.
Good evening, Denise, and thank you very much for joining us on this very special day at Hartford Hospital.
Well, tell us about this phase 1 of the clinical trials unit. How does all of this work?
Well, it's really about bringing more options, better options, and bringing them faster to patients with cancer here in Connecticut. So, we've heard a lot about precision medicine and genomics and exciting discoveries that are happening in the lab, and those are now translating into more drugs becoming available for clinical trials and eventually FDA approval than ever before. And so in order to make sure that our patients don't have to wait sometimes 5 or more years it takes to get through the drug development pipeline, this phase 1 unit allows our patients the choice of participating in early clinical trials which are targeted against the genomic problems that their cancers have caused.
That's fantastic. So it sounds like more drugs, less waiting time equals more hope for cancer patients. Now, I understand the Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute became the charter member of the MSK Cancer Alliance 4 years ago. I remember that story. But aside from the clinical trials unit, how has this relationship evolved in other ways over the years?
Well, this is a landmark achievement for ourselves and for the MSK Cancer Alliance. It was founded on the desire to bring new technology faster to the community, and we had to show that we could execute nimbly on this. Phase 1 studies are the most advanced studies, the most demanding studies to have, and the fact that we are now able to do that gives us solid ground to continue moving forward. We plan to continue our clinical trials portfolio, extend them outside of Hartford Hospital to all the hospitals and practices within the Hartford healthcare community. We're also working with Memorial Sloan Kettering on a variety of new projects, looking at geriatric oncology, which is really how patients over 65 handle cancer and cancer therapies. We're looking at survivorship programs, genetic counseling, and this is really filtered throughout the entire healthcare system in every aspect of what we do for our patients with cancer.
Wow, you've got a full plate, an exciting plate. I have one last quick question in the few seconds we have left. What can patients expect from the clinical trials unit in phase 2 and beyond?
Well, this is just a down payment, I think, in what we can do. This is a unit that we've constructed. I think it's going to be maxed out pretty quickly. We're going to need to have the ability to expand that. As I said, this is at Hartford Hospital. We want to make these trials and these new treatments available throughout the 6 hospitals that we have in Hartford Healthcare through really most of Connecticut. So really it's extending this, expanding it, making it available to more patients.
All right. We thank you so much, Dr. Yu, for sharing this important information with us, with our viewers tonight. And thank you for the good work you do. Keep that up. Continued success we wish to you and all of the cancer research underway at Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute. Now, if you're at home and you'd like to learn more about these clinical trials, the clinical trials unit at the Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute, just call Cancer Connect at the number you see on the screen.